Well, howdy, folks. It's another day on the ranch. We're gonna do some splitting from what I bucked up yesterday. It's probably the last nice day this year. Today is gonna be 18 degrees, which is gonna be decent American temperatures. And it's November 13th, so it's pretty warm. So I'm gonna start up the generator, drag out the splitter, and start my day. Well, the screws on the splitter keep on getting looser and looser because of the impact it makes while splitting. And of course, I don't have the right tool with me to tighten these up. Which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I guess I'm gonna have to put one of them 13 wrenches out here. Like that. Start up the generator. Let's have a look, see if she wants to play, folks. Second full. That's the soft starter. Guys, the generator is too weak to start up the splitter. It takes about 70 amps. Like I told you 100 times in our last videos, which you should have seen by now. So we're gonna get that thing warmed up and then have a go at it. Some are dry, some are wet. The wet ones I'm going to keep there, the dry ones I'm going to keep there, and the dry ones are going to be thrown into bin number 1, and the wet ones are going to be thrown into here, and I still have room. Trying to look cool, throwing down rounds. Most of the time it works. When it doesn't work, you look stupid. Well, I think this goes a lot faster with small rounds. Don't want to be throwing them on the soft starter. get back now here. You don't want to be joining them wet logs. That's rotten. We got a rotten one. Well, let's be smart here. I'm gonna be doing the dumping of the wet stuff here. And then I'm gonna turn it over. Of course, gotta keep you in the picture. Almost forgot. So, turned it here. Gonna dump the wet stuff here. Throw it in there. Gonna turn it over here and dumping the dry stuff into here. That's the plan. See if she starts up today. And we're running again, folks. This stuff has been laying on my old ranch for a year. Then I shouldn't be using that ranch anymore, so I put it at my neighbor's house in his garden for another year. So even though they were logs from around 3 feet long, 1 meter, they're practically dry. And dry means sellable. And sellable means money. Dough. Well, that's it, folks. You gotta get away from the noise for a while. Maybe I should see a hairdresser. What do you think? Ah, got a lot done today for my standards. Maybe I'll do some more tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be dry again, and after that, winter will kick in. With 3 degrees, about this in American temperatures, with a little bit of snow and wind. Me no like you winter, but it is what it is. If you hate people who say it is what it is, then my sincere apologies. But it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Push all them buttons. And I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty.